Hi, this is Ali Rato from TechWrath. In this tutorial you will learn how to fix an orientation of your game to portrait, landscape or both. This demo scene has the aspect ratio of 16:9 landscape. This is just a dummy scene for you guys. So you can go to game, select the landscape or the proportion that you want your game to be. For this demo we're choosing 16:9 ratio landscape. Then go to file. First step is to go to file. It's in Windows or Mac both. Go to build settings, click it. Then choose the platform that you want the game to be exported to. In our case we're choosing Android. After choosing your platform, you can go to player settings, that is at the bottom left hand side of this panel. Click on player settings. You will see a window opening up, or either it will be on your right hand side. Make sure the platform is chosen. In our case it's Android. In your case it could be Windows, Mac, iOS. And find and click on resolution and presentation. In some cases it might be open, in some cases it might be closed. So you click and it will open up. Go to orientation and check the default orientation. By default it's mostly chosen auto rotation, and that is much more recommended, that it should be auto rotate. Now according to your own requirements, either you can select only portrait or only landscape. In our case we're just selecting landscape right and landscape left. If you want a game that needs to have a portrait view, you can just select the portrait view. Or if you want your game to be in all orientations, just check all of them. But do remind yourself to select it for auto rotation unless you specifically want your game to be portrait from one view only. After that selection, you can close your project settings. Your orientation setting has been done. You can click your build button to have an APK that you want, and you can run the game. Do remember to add the scene that you want your game to play and click build. That's basically how you'll fix your orientation to your required need. It could be only landscape or portrait or both. When you run the game, you will see it will only show the orientation of your choice. You can move around your mobile device and it'll be fixed on the orientation that you have actually chosen. Thank you for watching a TechWrath tutorial. This is your host Ali Rathore. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and support us on social media. We are on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and we have a weekly podcast as well. You can comment below for your questions, or if you have any other tutorial suggestions for us, please leave a comment below. We'll try to cover that up on regular basis. Take care. Bye bye.